Alright, wiring harness pretty much installed. I got to do a little tucking, but everything is plugged in and is nice and clean. I still got to I got my alternator. I'm going to get a new one. This one, I don't know if you can hear that. Not very good. The air conditioner, it comes with this plug, but I'm going to go ahead and wire this plug in. So, but yeah, everything's really nice. All the starter, it gets routed down. The AC, all that, blower motor, yeah, fantastic. So now I'm just waiting for the power steering pulley.